What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and today I'm in Central Park Damansara by Exsim. I'm actually at the site, so I'm going to show you a little bit how the site looks like at the moment and what's the progress. It's actually a 65 acres township that will be built for maybe a decade, huh? So let's check it out. That's Empire City there. Okay, go down the tunnel. So see the tunnel out. Go down there is PJ LHDN office, and this is the site. See, it's already fenced up, and there's a lot of construction going on. Right up to Lower Damansara Road. Let me take you to a tour on the site. This is the site. It's going to be very busy. Start constructing the earlier phase. Development signboard is there. So you go up some more is Lower Damansara. Let me go and take you down there. This first phase, this one's the Cosmos. And this road is, you can see now it's a bit congested because the developer have not opened this road here. This is supposed to be another road. So that's why now before they open this road, they want to make sure the construction finish here first, then you open this road here. So it will be less traffic congestion. Constructing the new infrastructure, this is the road, will be right opposite this Cosmos. So come out, the owners of Cosmos can come out and then straight away go to the highway. In the future, once it's completed, you open the road. So I'm at the end of the township. This is another block, condominiums. Right at the end is there, and that is for Damansara. Okay. Here you can see Forest Hill. It's actually a luxury landed development. The entrance is actually there. That's the only entrance in and out of the development. Once this development is completed, right, after Forest Hill, after it's completed, then you can see the down this road. You're gonna open this and make it another 2 lanes. 1 lane straight away go out down, and this road here they'll make it 1 way. For now, for construction, it's only 2, already divided to half. Okay, this one you can see under construction now. It's nearly completed. It's called the Trees. It's by another developer. The Trees is located on a Malay reserve land. So let's go down and see what else more Central Park Damansara has to offer. Okay, the dash highway is here. Okay, you see that building there? That's KPJ Damansara. The construction is Nadayu, and that is Empire. You see the golden building is unmistakable from here. Let me go give you a closer look. Empire City. So there's a lot of offices there. This is right opposite Central Park Damansara. In fact, you have a sky deck, well, where you can drive across, right, or walk across to Empire City. Some more down there are going to be completed. There is the Hello Tower, and there's a lot of offices tower here. I heard that Grab Malaysia HQ is also here. This road is going to PJ Trade Center, where it house the income tax department offices here. And this site here, they're gonna look like they're gonna build a highway. And let me show you something else. Okay, so all these here are still the development, 65 acres. You see this beam here, the structure. This is actually the sky deck. They are building the sky deck already. So in future, the residents here can actually just go right across to Empire City Mall. How cool is that? I'm in the sales gallery. This is the Central Park Damansara, the whole township. Look at the size of it. This is the KPJ Damansara that I mentioned. Okay, that is Erica, and these are all the three Queens, Vervain, Cosmos. Right in the middle here is where you're going to have like a lake, and then there are future developments right behind. And this is the proposed sky deck. Just now I showed on the video. This proposed sky deck is already under construction, and this will be the Empire City. Look at this. You can actually drive and walk across, or walk across. Access from, this is right from PJ, go to the Erica. And if you come in, you can go out, go this way, go Mount Kiara or TTDI. And if you are staying here, remember the road. Okay, this part is a road. Go up here is for Damansara, right? So this road, you have two lanes. Currently, this is closed. It's going to construct new one, new road to come out. This is the Erica Residence, one of the condominiums that will be on Central Park Damansara scale model. Okay. You notice this, right? It looks like there's a lot of units on the floor, but the fact is actually it's very little units. But the reason why you see is so many units and so many windows is because the design is such a way that every room will have a window. So the rooms are all here. Master room, first room, second room, these are all will have the windows. Later I'll show you the showroom, and you will understand. And the Erica actually has a retail component down here. Opposite there's also shops if they want. The Erica is also accessible via LDP. I'm going to build that up to here. Okay. There's two towers, Tower A and Tower B. This one will be facing the park, and the other one will be facing the forest. This part here facing the forest, all this facing forest, all sold out already. Okay, so what is available here? Look at this. These are all called super ramps. This ramp will connect two floors immediately, two floors, so you don't have to go round and round. It's headache, right? So you go up straight away, it's two floors, go to your parking. Let's take a look at the whole scale. Okay, this is Erica floor tower. Tower A, you will have 14 units per floor, and 6 lift, 1 service lift, so 5 lift. Okay. Tower B, you have 15 units per floor, also 6 lift, 1 service lift. Okay, not bad. Even a corner unit 03. Okay, we are going to look at this the Erica. The 1000 square feet, 3 rooms, 2 bathroom. So this is the moment you go in. Okay, kitchen is on your right, yard number 13. Okay, aircon ledge is here. Okay, dining area. This is the hackable wall. You want to make your hallway bigger, right? Just hack these 2 walls, and the hallway will be bigger to your rooms. Okay, if let's just say you just want 2 rooms, you can also hack everything out and make it this one very big. You can, maybe it's a bigger room, my bigger room or side. I don't know what you can do here. Use your creativity. It's living hall. It's a balcony here. There's another aircon ledge here. And so this is a second room, master room. It's here with the bathroom. This bathroom, second bathroom is shared by these 2 units, 2 rooms. Okay? So let's take a look at the show unit. Okay, the moment you enter the house room, right, this on your right will be the kitchen, the top, and then there's the yard and the aircon ledge behind. And then what you do is that you reach also the dining area, the living hall, the balcony, and don't forget the aircon ledge will be at that side. This is the hackable wall that I was mentioning about. This wall is hackable. So it's up. This wall is also hackable, and that wall is also hackable. So this room, right, is big enough to fit. So see the wardrobe is huge, and this also is easy a super single bed. If you want a bigger space, you can hack this wall, and then you will get a whole all this wall here, right? So you can get the whole space here, very big space. Maybe you can use for a display cabinet or something like that. Then you will have a 2-room house instead. They will share this toilet. Okay? Standard come with this berth toiletries. Berth. Okay. We go to the second room. The room you can see is also big enough to fit a ceiling to floor wardrobe, and this can fit a queen size, no problem. So it's huge actually. Master room. Let's go and look at the master room. King size bed, more mantai. Actually, king size bed also no problem. You can put this king size bed here, and you still have space for a ceiling to floor wardrobe. You have an attached bathroom as well here. Ceiling to floor. Okay. I like the size here. Okay, imagine now this hallway, if you hack this wall and then only leave the other wall here, it's actually a very big hallway straight away to your rooms. Okay? If you feel that you want a bigger space or bigger hallway, it also can be done. One of the amazing features of the Erica, that is the window here. So every unit, right, every room, sorry, has a sunlight. You can see this one also have a sunlight, and then this one will be followed by the balcony sunlight. So this unit, right, will be facing, all the units will be facing out with windows so that there's more natural light into the unit. That's it for the tour of Central Park Damansara. I hope you like the tour and the shows that I've given you, the showrooms that I've shown you. The next one that I want to share with you is the pros and cons, and also the possible mitigation for the cons. A little bit of my thoughts, okay? And before we go forward, I would like to put a disclaimer out there. My name is Kenny Lee, and I am an agent selling Central Park Damansara. So if you listen to me, pros and cons, please take it with a pinch of salt and apply your own due diligence. You think of what I have to say. If in the event that you like what I have to say and you want to know more, you are welcome to contact me. My number is down below. Or you are welcome to come and visit us at Sales Gallery. I will take you around. Okay? So we start with the pros. Number one is actually you are buying a township in PJ. So how often do you see a township in PJ? I don't think so. I think I've been here for plus 10 years, 10, 11 years. And as far back as I can recall, PJ has always been one development, one condominium, a small plot of land here, a pocket of land there. There's no township like this, 65 acres with all the amenities. Next one is convenience. So if you have a township, you have a stay in the township, everything is there. Your work, your food, your play, your hangouts, spots are all there. This is what this township is going to achieve and aiming to achieve with this master plan. Next up is the accessibility. This township, right, as I've shown you on the master plan, is accessible by many highways, and there's not enough. They are even building new highways to access into and out from the township itself. The sky deck will connect both of the plot of land and make it more accessible. You from this township, you can go to places like PJ, Kapong, Desa Park City, Mont Kiara, TTDI. It's all within reach, just very less than 15 minutes away. All these places. So it's the strategic location right smack in the middle of everywhere. The final pros I see is that job creation. Do you see the towers? The towers that we will show you, they are also HQ for Grab. Pelabuhan Hartanah Berhad also has a building there, and there's also the HCK Capital also have a building there, and we are expecting to attract more and more corporate offices to PJ, since PJ rental office grade A offices like this is scarce. So where are these people going to stay? The people are going to stay right opposite Central Park Damansara, and then work in Empire City, walk right across. So that is what I see job creation. There will be more job creations in this area itself. Next up, we move to the cons. The most obvious one, people ask me, Kenny, this place will it be congested? Yeah, I personally admit this place is going to be congested because you're going to have like about 10,000 units. So the mitigation here is that you have accessibility. They are building roads, so the roads are wide, and you have a lot of places to go in and out from the township itself. If it's only one access in and one access out, then yes, it's definitely going to be hell and it's jam. But this will hopefully alleviate the jam. Second one I see is that the developer track record itself. Exsim is a big developer and it's a good developer. But however, this is their maiden township project. They have not actually developed a maiden township before. It's all our pocket developments. Pocket developments are award-winning developments, yeah. So, judging from their past track record, this is the mitigation. I'm sure they will deliver this township very well because their reputation is on the line, and they need to deliver the township and make their clients happy. Okay, so a lot is on the line for the developer and also for all of us here as an agent. Last but not least, people will tell me, Kenny, this place 550 per square feet onwards because that is the first phase. Then the other phase all more expensive, more and more expensive. This is very expensive compared to the Damansara area, the Damansara Perdana surrounding area. And you are right. Actually, Damansara Perdana, right, surrounding area, according to Bricks record, you can see here, according to Bricks, the median price is 353 per square feet. And absolute price is 300,000. So why do you buy something that is more expensive than the surrounding, right? Okay. You must understand that this is a different product. When we talk about comparing surroundings here, we are lumping up all the residential components, residential units all together. We have flats, we have high-end condominiums all together, service apartment all together. So this part here, once they calculated, they take the median as 353. They are not a township. It's a different product. So what you are buying now is actually a township. You're buying the convenience, you're buying the landscaping, you're buying the architecture, you're buying everything together, all packaged in one. Hence, if you're talking about township, 353 per square feet versus 550, I don't know about you, but to me, a township seems like more value. I buy a development, I still need to go out of the development to do something else, to do my groceries. But in the township, I have everything there. That's it from my sharing today. If you like this video, do follow, subscribe wherever you are, share this video out, tell your friends about it. And if they want to come to see the place itself after listening to me, my number again is down there. I'll see you again in the next video. Okay, bye bye.